We are celebrating Noah's second birthday.
A goggle.
Oh.
He has a new backpack.
Shh, wait till he opens.
He has a new backpack. Look, he has a new backpack. Noah.
Let him do it. Let him do it, Logan.
He has a new
Let
backpack.
it open.
He has
A
a new
lunchbox.
Wow.
Hey, look, Shelby.
What's this for? This is the backpack. Noe.
Noah, there's your backpack.
You want to put it on? There's no more presents.
Logan, that's enough presents. We're thankful for what we have.
Yeah.
So let him carry the lunchbox. It's okay.
Noah!
Hey, for school.
Noah! Show me! What happened? Why is it? Noah! Noah! Show me! You got your backpack?
And this is
That's not
this
working.
lunchbox.